SpyScope DS Access and Delivery Catheter Setup. The SpyScope DS Access and Delivery Catheter is a sterile, single-use endoscope intended to provide direct visualization and to guide both optical and accessory devices for diagnostic and therapeutic applications during endoscopic procedures in the pancreatico-biliary system, including hepatic ducts. Setting up SpyScope DS. Ensure the sterile packaging is intact. If the packaging shows any type of damage, do not use the SpyScope DS catheter. Remove the device from the packaging and ensure no components are loose or broken. Rotate the articulation knobs located on the SpyScope DS catheter handle and visually confirm articulation of the articulating section while knobs are rotated. Attach the Y-port adapter and confirm that TUI-Borst seal is open. Visually examine the catheter cable for kinks or damage. Visually inspect the cable connector for damage. Attach the SpyScope DS catheter cable to the SpyGlass DS digital controller and adjust the image following these steps. Power on the controller. When the monitor used with the controller displays the Cable Connect screen, plug the SpyScope DS catheter cable connector, locking tab facing up, into the receptacle on the front panel of the controller. Push the cable connector in until the locking tab engages. Verify an image is present on the screen. Attaching the SpyScope DS catheter to the duodenoscope. When using a guide wire approach, backload the previously cannulated guide wire into the duodenoscope working channel and remove other accessories, tome, cannula, etc. Backload the guide wire into the distal tip of the SpyScope DS catheter working channel. If using Y-port adapter, ensure it is in the open position and turn off the light source on controller if necessary to better see the working channel at the distal end of the SpyScope DS catheter. If using a non-guide wire approach, insert the distal end of the SpyScope DS catheter into the working channel of a duodenoscope using short strokes, 2 to 3 centimeters. Position the SpyScope DS catheter and use the attachment strap to secure the SpyScope DS catheter to the duodenoscope. Align the articulation control knobs with the duodenoscope steering knobs, and the handle is below the duodenoscope's working channel. Attach irrigation and aspiration. Connect the irrigation tubing to both the irrigation pump and the irrigation port. Apply irrigation to flush the irrigation channels with saline or sterile. This will minimize air bubbles when later irrigating in the target duct. If desired, connect a suction source to the aspiration port.